Hello and welcome to another power lap time. This time it's a drone power lap time.
Yeah, we've got no cars.
It is Oliver's racing drone. Wait, so what's it called, Oliver?
So this is the Tyro 99 drone.
So, being careful of pedestrians and passers by, without further ado, let's get this power lap time underway in 3, 2, 1. Go, go, go.
Should I film? Time. Sorry.
No, I've got the timer up on here. It's fine. It's going so fast. Look at it. I don't have enough time. That was 10 seconds.
Wow. That's the quickest one. That's actually gone. I can't keep up.
I can't literally cannot keep up with it. Okay. So if we just you need to get nearer the pole. Because Oliver's using his VR goggles. No, not VR goggles. FPV goggles. Because he's using his FPV goggles. He
Stop the ball.
Yeah, this dog's just stolen some kid's ball.
It's like a football, doesn't he? Okay, can you stand like a tad, please?
Because you can see it's off in the distance, coming very fast. Literally can't keep up with it. Oh, see? So when I try and go up, literally catch up. See, there it is. That's how fast it goes. I cannot go fast enough. And now it's time to move on to the power lap time of the Phantom drone.